Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in personal care products.
Today, we're diving deep into the world of men's grooming with a product that's been making waves.
The Cleverman Jet Black Hair and Beard Dye for Men. If you're in search of the best beard color ammonia-free, you're in for a treat.
Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why the Cleverman Jet Black Hair and Beard Dye stands out among the rest.
This isn't just your average dye, it's an all-in-one solution crafted specifically for men who demand excellence in their grooming routine. And the best part? It's completely free of harsh ammonia, making it a top choice for those who prioritize the health of their skin and hair. Now, what sets this product apart from the competition? Let me tell you.
Unlike other dyes that leave you guessing, Cleverman offers a precise, natural-looking color that lasts.
Thanks to its innovative formula and easy application process, you can achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your own home.
But wait, there's more.
This kit isn't just for your beard, it's a complete grooming solution. Whether you're touching up your hair, beard, mustache, or all of the above, Cleverman has you covered.
Plus, with an average of 4 applications per kit, you'll be looking sharp for weeks to come.
And let's talk about speed.
With Cleverman, you can kiss those long, tedious dyeing sessions goodbye.
In just 7 minutes or less, you'll achieve full coverage and a vibrant, long-lasting color that speaks for itself. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's everything you've been looking for in a beard dye. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the ingredients?
Well, let me put your mind at ease.
Cleverman's clean formula is enriched with a triple organic oil system, ensuring that your skin and hair stay nourished and healthy with every use. Say goodbye to dryness and irritation. This dye has got you covered. But Cleverman isn't just committed to quality, they're also committed to sustainability. With a reusable kit and recyclable packaging, they're doing their part to reduce waste and protect the environment.
It's a win-win for you and the planet.
So there you have it, folks. The Cleverman Jet Black Hair and Beard Dye for Men is the ultimate solution for anyone in search of the best beard color ammonia-free.
With its professional quality results, easy application process, and commitment to clean, sustainable ingredients.
It's a game changer in the world of men's grooming. Don't just take my word for it. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay sharp.